Hi guys, this is your friend and guide Abha Mystic 1111. I'm here to check the energies for today, and then this is the video for the viewers who are, or the basically this is the collective video. So if you're waiting for somebody and you do not have the idea that what this person actually thinks about you, so if you have crush on somebody, if you like somebody and you may or you may not have told that person about your feelings, but you do not know what this person exactly thinks about you or feels for you. This is the energy for you. This is the reading for you. So if you want this divine guidance, stay with me on my video and watch this till end, because I'm going to check your current feelings, their current feelings, their current messages for you, and what is going on in this person's head space and heart space for you. तो अगर आपका किसी के ऊपर क्रश है और आपकी विश फुलफिलमेंट है, उस शख्स को मिलना, अपनी रिलेशनशिप को बिगिन करना, और आप नहीं जानते कि वो शख्स आपके बारे में क्या सोचता है, ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. सो लेट मी चेक योर एनर्जीज फर्स्ट. So, divine angel, spirit guides, Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, please answer my collectives. What are they feeling about their crush at this point of time? जिन्हें वो अपनी feelings बता चुके हैं या नहीं बता चुके हैं. Okay. What are my collective? How my collective are feeling for their crush at this point of time? जिनको वो लाइक करते हैं, they have crush on, they have feelings for. What are my collective? What are the feelings of my collective at this point of time? Okay, so basically there is a lot of confusion. You do not know what is going on. Okay, you are confused about the feelings of this person to begin with. You want stability in this relationship. You want some kind of peace to come within this relationship. Your wish is to join this person, to reconcile or have the union with this person, but this person is moving away from you. This is your current state of mind. So you are confused about the whole situation. There is Queen of Pentacles, there is Nine of Pentacles. So this is the completion of Pentacle, 10 Pentacles together. So 10 is very important because another card is 10 of Swords. So there is definitely some kind of completion coming for you in this relationship. जिनके लिए भी आप ये पूछ रहे हैं, एक इंसान चाहता है, आप स्पेशली चाहते हैं कि आप इस रिलेशनशिप को किसी तरह से डेवलप होता हुआ देखें. आप यूनियन चाहते हैं, आप प्यार चाहते हैं, आप एक स्टेबिलिटी चाहते हैं इस रिलेशनशिप में, और आपको सामने वाले की फीलिंग्स के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. यू आर टोटली कन्फ्यूज्ड अबाउट इट. ऑल्दो यू आर इन ट्रू लव विद दिस पर्सन, यू हैव लॉट ऑफ पैशन, लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस, बट दिस पर्सन इज पुशिंग यू अवे एंड दैट्स वाई यू आर इवन कन्फ्यूज एंड गोइंग अवे. तो हो सकता है आप किसी तरह का डिसकनेक्ट फील कर रहे हैं अपने इमोशंस में. आप चाहते हैं रिकॉन्साइल करना, यूनियन में आना, प्यार को डेवलप करना, लेकिन आप कंफ्यूज्ड हैं, इसलिए आप भी अपने इमोशंस को बैकफुट पे रख के इस सिचुएशन से मूव ऑन करने का सोच रहे हैं. तो बेसिकली आप चाहते तो रीयूनियन है, चाहते आप कनेक्शन है, चाहते आप कमिटमेंट है, प्यार है, मगर क्योंकि ये इंसान आपको अपने बारे में कुछ नहीं बता रहा है प्यार होने के बावजूद भी, इसलिए आप टोटली कंफ्यूज्ड हैं और आप इस सिचुएशन से मूव ऑन करना चाहते हैं. दिस इज़ योर फीलिंग एंड एनर्जी एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. अब हम देखेंगे आपके पार्टनर की ट्रू फीलिंग्स या करंट फीलिंग्स फॉर यू. मेरे कलेक्टिव जिनके बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, जिनके बारे में सोच रहे हैं, डिवाइन गाइडेंस दीजिए कि उनकी करंट फीलिंग्स उनके लिए क्या है. दिस पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू कम्युनिकेट विद यू. ये आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा इनके लाइफ में कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है, या तो इनके लाइफ में ये कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है या इनका ये मेंटल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पैशन फील करते हैं. दे वॉन्ट टू कम like in speed to talk to you, and they are going through this transformation in life. So some serious changes are going on in this person's life, and he or she is feeling conflicted about that. दिस पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू टॉक टू यू। तो जो आपके क्रश हैं, आपकी फीलिंग ऐसी है, आप चाहते यूनियन है मगर आप कंफ्यूज हैं उनकी फीलिंग्स को लेके, तो आप मूव ऑन करने की सोच रहे हैं। ये इंसान अपनी लाइफ में किन्हीं चीज़ों में उलझा हुआ है, इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा प्रेशर है, बहुत स्ट्रेस है, बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन है, बहुत ज़्यादा झगड़ा, किसी तरह की कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन है जिससे ये निकल नहीं पा रहे हैं। ऑल्दो दे वॉन्ट यू, दे हैव लॉट ऑफ पैशन, attraction, infatuation, everything for you. Okay, a lot of feelings for you, and they want to communicate, and they want some kind of ending to this disconnect which you both are having at this point of time. Okay, जो मेरे कलेक्टिव्स हैं उनके पर्सन के हेड स्पेस में क्या चल रहा है? अगेन आई हैव गॉट दिस कन्फ्लिक्टिंग एनर्जी। तो 5 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स जो है उनका आया है, तो देर इज दिस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट गोइंग ऑन। दे हैव पैशन, they want to unite with you as a family. They are thinking a lot, and they are just strategizing it that how they can come towards you, but they are stuck in their financial responsibilities, in their career, in their family obligations, and that's why they are not able to come towards you. So it's like they feel passion for you, but they have their own family, they have their own work, they can't come towards you, and this is the entire conflict, mental conflict. They feel for you, they want you, they are totally attracted towards you, but they are busy in their family and workspace. So this person is not coming towards you because of this mental conflict. They want you, their heart tells them to meet you, to be with you, to love you, to like you, but their family or their current situation or their responsibilities or their financial obligations at this point of time is not allowing this person to come towards you. Now we'll see what will be their future actions for you. तो आपके कलेक्टिव्स के पार्टनर के फ्यूचर एक्शन इस रिकॉन्सिलिएशन की तरफ आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे? मेरे कलेक्टिव्स के लिए उनके फ्यूचर एक्शंस क्या होंगे? This person is sitting in ego, very stubborn person whom you're dealing with, very egoistic, always have pushed you back because of a third party, because of a third situation maybe, and there is no balance coming. So this person is trying hard to bring the balance to this situation, but because of the third party he's stuck and he is sitting in the ego and he is not moving towards you at all. Although you are his wish fulfillment, he wants to have a communication with you, he wants to tell you that how much he loves you, how much passion he has, but he is stuck in a karmic relationship, and whatever he has in his life is not serving him, is not happy with that, and they want to come towards you, but the situation is so bad because of family, because of a third person, because some another lover, maybe they are in relationship with somebody and that person is not allowing for to them to come towards you. So there is no future action coming, although they want to come to you. Divine guidance is that they will come to you, but डिवाइन टाइमिंग इज़ ऑन प्ले. तो ये परमात्मा के हाथ में है. मेरी आपके लिए गाइडेंस होगी कि आप डिवाइन को सरेंडर कर दीजिए ये रिलेशनशिप. अगर आपकी किस्मत में हुआ तो आपको मिल जाएगा. व्हाट इज़ द डिवाइन गाइडेंस फॉर माई कलेक्टिव्स? इसी को सवाल पूछ लेते हैं कि डिवाइन गाइडेंस आप लोगों के लिए क्या आ रही है. डिवाइन गाइडेंस टोटल ब्रेकअप सिचुएशन है, कोई कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है, कोई बातचीत नहीं है आप दोनों के बीच में. अभी तो सिचुएशन एकदम लटकी हुई है हैंगमैन की तरह. सिचुएशन इज़ नॉट गुड, ऑल्दो थिंग्स विल इम्प्रूव फॉर यू after some time maybe, because we have got Ace of Wands. So there will be some kind of new beginning coming towards you, maybe after 7 days, 7 months, something like that. 7 weeks, 7 months or 7 days, most likely 7 weeks. So you need to wait for another 2 months, most likely 2 months, for any kind of communication or any kind of commitment or any kind of communication coming your way, because there will be a fresh start in this. Yes, this person will come towards you. This person will come towards you and have a talk with you, but you need to wait for that. He is a mature person, wants to come towards you, thinking about you all the time, stalking you and wishing to be with you, but he is in a karmic relationship. He is not able to make this balance. He wants to give commitment to you because he has a lot of passion, but stuck somewhere very badly. So can't move on from the situation, pretending to be busy in workspace. So, okay. So, what is the whether there will be union in this love relationship or not? Yes, this person will move towards you. This breakup energy will end and there will be a fresh beginning. You just need to wait patiently. So, this person is waiting patiently. So, have patience. Love yourself, come in the true love energy, come in the self love energy, and this breakup will end. This no communication zone will end, and there will be a fresh beginning. They will come towards you with a hell lot of energy and passion. They will give balance to you once they will come out of this negative conflict because they love you. They have a lot of emotions for you. So let the divine guide them. Let the time takes its own time, and you just need to have patience here. Okay. Um, what are the relationship energies between you both? Let us check that. What are the love relationship energies between my collectives and their crush or the person they like? Sunglasses, watching, looking, perception, stalking. So they are stalking you. जहाँ भी social media platforms पे आप एक दूसरे को stalk कर रहे हैं. Cupid, have faith, love is coming, surprise is coming, invitation stuck by love. They love you, you love them, you are stalking them, they are stalking you. Picture, they are looking at your pictures and missing you. So there is a lot of love, but they are stuck with the karmic relationship. So they know that you are their true love, but they are stuck with a third person who is their karmic, and this karmic is not treating the person well. Still, he or she is not able to come towards you because of this third person, their karmic relationship. Although they love you, they miss you. They are stalking you. You are stalking them. They love you. You love them. They miss you. You miss them. So it's total mirror energy. So, what will be the love messages? Okay, let me check. What is the message coming from my collective's partner for my collective? Just one message for them. They are feeling that you're moving away from this relationship, and that's why they are getting a lot of pain and suffering, and they are drowned in this negativity or self negative emotions. They love you. They want to say they love you. They will come very soon to you, very, very soon, and express this emotions, passion, love, everything to you. So wait. They are asking you to wait. Don't go, wait. There is a lot of hope in this relationship. They are praying for you, you are praying for them. So you both want each other. It's just the matter of time. Or maybe this karmic relationship is troubling your relationship. Divine guidance for this relationship. Wish fulfillment, 9 of Pentacles again. Communication will come to you once they are free from this negative karmic relationship. Again, Devil card. So this person is doing overthinking. Maybe you are doing overthinking. Don't do overthinking. There will be communication coming. So don't worry. Communication is on way. Just one last card from Moonology deck for you both. A lot of blessings for both of you. जो collectives यहाँ देख रहे हैं, जो उनके partner हैं, उन दोनों के लिए. Conclusions are within reach. So wait for the divine intervention. Release your negativity. Don't be worried. Have faith in your dreams. So just have faith in this relationship, and this person will definitely come towards you. This is the guidance coming for you guys. So if you love my video and you have resonated with my video, just press the like button, subscribe my channel, and wait for fresh videos. And I'm coming live every day, Monday to Friday at 6 p.m. on my YouTube channel, Abha Mystic 1111. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Lots of love and blessings to you.